Ngiyabingelela kakhulu ngobaba egameni lika Jesu. Ubaba usihlalo kanye nobaba omongameli nobaba babafundisi egameni lika Jesu. Sizofunda ke umlando kama egameni lika Jesu. With my soul, it is well, it is well with my soul. It is well. Florence Dumisile Tenjiwe Makhaye was born on the 10th of December 1970 in Greytown. She was the beloved and first daughter of Miriam Kupugile Madlala and Gabangani Simeon Zondi. Florence's educational journey began at Manlinza Junior Primary School. Then she went to Tolintlantla Senior Primary School, and later she proceeded to Buhlebiyeza Secondary School. After matric, she completed a certificate in hairdressing diploma in theology at TB Bible School. She was a member of AGC Church since 1992 and a preacher of different branches in Greytown. Then later she went to Johannesburg to work in different places and was called by God on full-time ministry. She served the work of God at Hillbrow Circuit. Then she was transferred to Alexandra Circuit, where she was still serving as Mrs. Reverend FDT Makhaye. She was married to Reverend J. Makhaye, and they were blessed with 4 children: Pindile, Buhle Benkosi, Zetembiso, and Sibusisekile. She passed on the 10th of June 2026 after a short illness. She leaves behind her husband, mother, father, son, daughters, sister, brothers, and an entire family at large. Hamba kahle nondaba, Gagashe, Luka, Bambatha kaMancinza, Mgcotshwa kaThixo, Mfangeli wezimvuselelo, ukulwila ukulwa okuhle, uliqedile ibanga lakho, sobonane kuseni. In Revelations 14 verse 13, it says, "Blessed are the dead who die in the Lord. From now on, they will rest from their labor, for their deeds will follow them." Amen.
My soul. It is well. It is well.